Hi, Leon. It's Grandma Honey. How do you like my silly light-up nose? Don't be scared. It's just Grandma having some fun. Can you guess what song I'm going to sing today? You know, Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. Oh, but do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Well, then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Glee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Okay, Leon, happy holidays, and remember always, just like Rudolph, to shine.